How to delete a Facebook account permanently. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and now tap on the menu option from the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the settings and privacy option and further tap on the settings option. Now tap on the see more in account center option and then tap on the account center option. Now under the account settings option you will see the personal details option. Tap on that and further tap on the account ownership and control option. Now tap on the deactivation or deletion option. You will then see the delete account radio button. Tap on that and then tap on the continue button. Now you will be required to select a reason for why you are deleting the account. Go ahead and select a reason and then tap on the continue button. Further, enter your account's password and tap on the continue button, and with this your account will be processed for deletion. So this is how you can delete a Facebook account permanently. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.